thank you for coming to my brand new YouTube channel with literally no other videos, and it's my first video, so I don't know what I'm doing, so please be patient with me. I've wanted to do a video for a long time and might as well do it today. So I'm here to review a supplement called LYMA. I keep wanting to call it LYMA. It's LYMA, and it came in this beautiful box right here. Ignore my smudgy little fingerprints. You know, I wear a lot of makeup and get fingerprints everywhere. And it is immunity boosting. It is good for your hair, skin, and nails. It is supposed to help regulate your sleep cycle, help with anxiety, help with mood, help with a lot of things basically. And I do want to do a review because I'm doing an unboxing today. I haven't ever actually taken it, so I will be coming back in 3 months. I'm gonna give it 3 months to see how my body responds to it and if I would recommend it. It is pretty pricey. It is a little bit cheaper if you do a subscription. I didn't want to do that until I knew that it worked for me. So I did a one-time purchase, and I believe the options, I'm not 100% sure, but I can put them in the description. I believe it is $270 to do a 30-day supply or $380 to do a 90-day. I will verify that. I'm not totally sure. But either way, you do have to pay the initial $270 at least to get the whole kit. And I'll show you what comes in the box and everything. Here we have a little presentation. And it's like a really, you know, it's really good quality. You do get what you pay for. The box is like very thick and it's lined with velvet, and it, you know, I like things like that. I really appreciate things like that. So here we go. We have this, and the first thing I'm going to take out is the little container to hold your pills. So it is hammered copper, and I mean, I thought that was too cute. I have a lot of different copper things in my kitchen. I have, you know, just different canisters and everything. I thought it would look really good. It would just look really good on a kitchen counter. So I've never kept vitamins in a fancy container before. I usually just keep them in the bottle, but I thought that was really cute, and it has a little LYMA logo on it. And so there's that. And then here are the actual pills, and again, I got 120 because I do want to be able to give it enough time. You know, I think if you get 30, you're taking it basically for a month. I don't think that is giving you enough time to notice if it has any effect on your body, if it's changing anything. But here's a little bag, and then inside the pills are all that same copper color. And then look how cute. They have the little LYMA logo. I don't know if you can see, but the little crown printed on all of them. So everything's like very color coordinated. So be interested to start taking these. I haven't tried any of them at all. And then the next thing you have in the package, you have this little authenticity card. Just very funny to me. I don't think people would be making counterfeit vitamins, but you never know. So. And then another thing comes with a little microfiber, not microfiber, it comes with a little cloth to clean the container. And then it comes with a guidebook, and it gives you more information. Here it says there are 9 ingredients, and then it gives you a list of all the ingredients. You can't even see, sorry. A list of all the ingredients, the dosage, the property, and then the target. So basically what it's good for. And they have things like hair, skin and nails, brain fuel, which I could use a lot more of, mental focus, mood, sleep, anti-stress. So that's pretty helpful. And you can do your own research kind of on all the ingredients. If you want, I'll put it up closer so you can see if I really can't tell if it's focusing, but you can kind of see if, you know, you want to maybe buy those separately on their own, or you think it's worth investing in this because it has it all together. It is vegetarian, gluten-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, sugar-free, nut-free, gelatin-free. So basically free of, you know, anything bad. I used to have really bad cystic acne. I had an IUD for birth control, and I never had acne in my life, and then my face exploded into cystic acne. I mean, I'm not exaggerating. I didn't want to leave my house. It was, I don't want to say traumatic, but I really looked like a completely different person. And that's about 2.5 years ago now. So I've done a lot of work to, you know, try to heal my skin and get it back to normal. I do have some little, a little bit of like deep scarring, but I've been trying to not only heal it from the outside, but also from the inside. I do take other supplements. I try to eat healthy and stay hydrated. But I think, you know, this could possibly help. And then here they talk about your increase in antibodies, less allergy symptoms, improved respiratory function. So that's not a huge, I don't have allergies. That wouldn't be like the biggest concern for me, but of course it's a great benefit to have as well. And then this part was really interesting to me. They talk about reduced anxiety, reduced insomnia, reduced cortisol, and lower fatigue. So one thing for me, I have generalized anxiety disorder. I also have panic disorder. And for anybody that suffers with that too, it can be debilitating. I've tried a lot of different things to help my anxiety, but again, if this can help even reduce it by like a percentage, I would be very happy. So we'll see. It does have ashwagandha. That is the only ingredient in here that I actually do know about. I do take it separately. I'm not sure if it's helped, to be honest, but I know it's supposed to be good for anxiety and for, you know, for being stressed. A little timeline right here of your first month, you start to feel calmer, your cells become healthier. Month 2, your cortisol levels will drop, which means more energy and better sleep. And then month 3 is when you start to feel the full advantage of LYMA. And, you know, it says you can notice a difference in your skin, decreases the appearance of fine lines, and then you're supposed to keep taking it and continually receive the benefits from it. I'm gonna start taking it tonight, and I'm really hoping that, you know, it'll help with the anxiety and with my skin. And I think you do need to give things time, you know, for your body to get used to it and really give it an honest chance to see if it works. Like I said, if it does, then to me it is worth the investment. If I'm not sure it's working, it's very pricey, and you could probably find a lot of those ingredients, you know, on your own, on their own, and take those instead. I kind of got pulled in by like their advertising and then the cute packaging, and I love how everything's like the black and the gold. In January, I'm going to come back and do another review and kind of just talk about if I feel like it's worth the money. I just wanted to do an unboxing. I haven't been able to find a lot of like videos or information about it on YouTube or Instagram. I don't think it's very well known, so kind of trying to like help people see if they want to invest in it as well. And I think that's everything I was going to talk about today. I want to say I'm not sick. I'm very, very nasally. I'm sorry if I don't speak very clearly. I was so nervous to put out a video for that reason, and I literally hate the sound of my own voice. So it's going to be kind of a bitch for me to edit. But wanted to put it out there. I have a lot more videos that I planned. I'm going to talk about my cystic acne, how I healed that, how I've started to heal my skin. I'm going to talk about anxiety and different things I found that have at least helped. It hasn't made it go away completely, but things that have helped. And then who knows what else. I'm just getting started, but I want to thank you for watching the video, and I hope you liked it. I hope it was informative, and thank you.